Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to change the new tab page in Firefox, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. If it is already open, just bring its window to the front so you can see it clearly. You should see the main Firefox window with your current homepage or whatever site you last had open. Once Firefox is open, we will start by opening a new tab. On your keyboard, press the Control key and the letter T together. You will see a new tab appear at the top, and the main area will change to the Firefox New Tab page. Now look at the bottom right corner of this New Tab page. Find the small pencil icon labeled Customize and click it once. When you click it, a panel or box opens, showing options for what appears on your new tab. With that panel open, you can now turn features on or off. Look for switches for things like shortcuts and widgets. Click a switch to turn a feature on, and click it again to turn it off, and you will see the preview of your new tab update as you change each option. Next up, in that same Customize panel, look for the option called Manage More Settings and click it. This opens a more detailed settings page where you can adjust web search, recommended stories, recent activity and weather, and changes you make here apply to every new tab right away. Now we will change the new tab page to a blank page. Click the three-line menu button at the top right of Firefox. Then in the menu that opens, click Settings, which opens a new tab with all your Firefox settings. From there, look along the left side of the settings page and click on Home. The main area changes to the Home settings, which control what you see on the Firefox home screen and on new tabs. At this point, look for the section called New Windows and Tabs. Under that section, find the line labeled New Tabs, and you will see a drop-down menu next to it that controls what appears when you open a new tab. Now click that New Tabs drop-down menu and choose Blank Page from the list. As soon as you select Blank Page, Firefox stores that choice, and your future new tabs will no longer show shortcuts or stories, only an empty background. After that, open a new tab again to confirm the change. You can press Ctrl and T on your keyboard, and you should now see a completely blank page, which means the new tab setting to blank page is working. With that confirmed, we will switch to changing the new tab wallpaper. Open another new tab, again using Ctrl and T, so you are back on the new tab screen where wallpaper options will be visible. Now look again to the bottom right corner of this new tab. Click the same pencil icon for Customize, and the Customize panel will open, this time showing a section for wallpapers as well as other options. Under Wallpapers in that panel, you can scroll and click through the available choices. Select a Firefox wallpaper, a solid color, an abstract design, or a photograph, and as soon as you click one, the background of the new tab updates so you can see how it looks. You can also choose to use your own picture as the wallpaper. In the Wallpapers section, click Add an image, then pick an image file from your computer, and once you select it, your new tab background changes to that personal photo. Next up, we will look at what types of content can appear on the new tab using the same controls you have already seen. On the Customize panel and in the Home settings, you can decide which sections are shown or hidden, and Firefox updates the layout every time you change one. You can customize the Shortcuts section, which are the website tiles you see near the top. These can be sites you visit often or ones you pinned, and turning this section off hides those tiles, which is useful if you share the computer and prefer not to show your frequent sites. You can also adjust the web search area on the new tab. This controls whether there is a search box on the page, and if you disable it, you can still search from the address bar at the top of Firefox. Another section is Recommended Stories. These are articles suggested by Firefox based on popularity, and if you turn this section off, the stories disappear from the new tab and the page looks cleaner. There is also a section for Recent Activity. This can show pages you have recently visited or bookmarked, and many people turn it off if they do not want their browsing history to appear right on the new tab. Finally, you can control the Weather section together with wallpapers on that same panel. If weather is available in your region, you can show a small forecast on the new tab, and if you turn it off, the weather box simply no longer appears while your wallpaper choice stays the same. You have now customized what appears on the Firefox new tab page, including layout, blank page option, and wallpaper. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.